Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a bulleted list on your post to the post on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly enter into the video.
So how to create a bullet list on your Tumblr post on your Tumblr application, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on this pencil symbol, and now you have to click on the text option. Now click on the A symbol. First I've just typed something like Vivo. Just click on the A symbol. Now you have this option called bulleted list. Click on this. Now it has been bulleted. Now if you are just typing anything like Nokia or Oppo, like that, it will automatically make bulleting points. This is how you just create a bulleting points as a post, and you can just click on the post option to post it. This is how you just create a bulleting points on the post on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.